Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today, Ann and I are making some cards, and we're going to do this cute little card for April. And it's kind of fun because it has a little fence that opens and then a little place inside to write. So because we make cards every month to send to my mom and an aunt, this month we're also sending to an uncle who is starting some chemotherapy, and so we thought we'd get this going. And it's a cute little April, spring, Easter card. And so let's get started, don't you think? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is find our fold lines. Can you see that? And you're going to just fold in the little, but wait, you got to look for the line right there. I'm going to start it, and then you fold it the rest of the way. So we're going to fold the little fence down, and then we're going to fold the card part in half. Can you see the line? Let's get it so we can get it right on the line. Okay, now you finish folding it, and we're going to use our little bone folder. So can you do that and push it down with the bone folder? And I just realized, I think it's supposed to open like this. I think I did the other one backwards. Did I? Oh, wait. I think, okay, the card opens like this. So that means the fence is going to go right there. Okay, and I'm going to use that bone folder too, and let's fold your fence so that it goes all the way down. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open them up flat, and we have all of our pieces that we cut from Cricut Design Space. So our first thing is we're going to put our fence on our card. So it's going to go like this. So here's some glue. And what I'm going to do is get some scrap paper and put it down so we can glue onto paper and not get it everywhere. These are some of our scraps. So what we're going to do, Ann, is let's put this fence part right here and go ahead and put the glue on. And all of this scrapbook paper we have collected over a lot of years. So I can't even really tell you what the name of it is. I'll see if I can find some that's close and link it in the description below so that if you want to make this project, you have a real easy source to go to buy it. Good job, Ann. Okay, now I'm going to put down my fence. Okay, and did you push it down really well? Okay, so now what we're going to do is assemble our sheep. Okay, so here comes the base of the first little lamb. And here's mine. Oh, let's put this on here. Okay, so the first part we're going to do is put on this fluffy white thing. And so I'm going to take this off. And are you centering that on there? And we're just using this Elmer's glue stick. You could use a tape runner, any other number of other things, but this seems to work really well. And I'm just going to line it up as best I can. How did you do with lining yours up? That looks pretty good. Okay. And one thing that I have learned to be not too worried about is when things are not exact. That's okay. I think my mom likes to see that Ann has made the card, and okay, so that lines up there. Okay, I'm going to flip it so you can put that on there.
What's this?
This is its face.
The face?
The face. See, and if I put it on that way, I see it works. And if I tried to do it the other way, it wouldn't quite line up. So I know it goes this way. So I'm going to get that on there. And did you line it up as best you could? Okay. Here we go. Let's get the lamb's face on there. And sometimes it helps to actually flip the thing over and push down so that you can make sure it's really well stuck down. Okay. And now, while we're at it, we're going to put on their little hooves. So you're going to have to be, it's going to be a little tricky because they're so small. But will you go ahead?
I'm going to let you do that.
Okay, on go the little hooves. And lamb is kosher because of the cloven hoof. Okay, what's this, you think?
The face?
Yeah, it's the lamb's face.
Oh, no.
So it's going to go just like that.
Oh.
So let's flip it. And now let's wind the glue up just a little. And don't push too hard. And go ahead and put the glue on there. Good. Okay. There we go. Now let's take a look at that lamb. Isn't that cute? Good. And now once yours is on, we'll start assembling the clouds. I love this little box. Let me get our clouds out. I bought this box at the Dollar Tree. I have used it for so many things. And so I really like that when I cut multiple pieces like this for one project, I can keep all of one project in one box, keep other pieces for a different project in a different box. It just works so well. There's Anne's cute little lamb. Let's give it a good push down. Okay, so now we are going to glue the lamb onto the card. So one thing to notice is, that's Anne's card. I'm going to, when we put the lamb on, it doesn't fit exactly between the edges of the card. So I'm going to put it so its little ear overlaps, and I think that's cute. And so we're going to fold it closed so we know where that lamb goes. So Anne, your lamb is going to go right on there. So flip it over. Yep. And so flip the lamb over and put it on your little piece of paper, and we'll get the glue on. Anne and I have been having a nice time. We had a daughter's birthday on Friday, just a couple of days ago. Anne's birthday is coming up on Saturday of this week. So we have a lot of fun things going on. April is a pretty special month in our family. What else are we doing this week, Anne, besides your birthday?
Passover.
Passover, yes. We love that. We celebrate Easter and Passover together.
Passover.
That's right. So look how cute these are. Now, we have these little clouds. Should we put the clouds on the inside? Let's do that because I don't know where to put them on the outside. Okay, so here's a little cloud. And maybe we put our
This mine.
Yeah, we might have put our sheep up a little too high in the sky. I don't know. I'm going to put that right here and get our little cloud on there. Put this one in this one. Okay, that's looking nice. Oh, you're putting it on the outside. That's great. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have these little papers. I don't know if you can see. We had the Cricut use one of the pens and write Happy Easter. Of course, we're getting these sent right today. So
Happy Easter.
They'll get to everybody that we're sending these to in time for Easter. And then we can also write something nice inside the card. we'll have to make sure we tell Uncle Dave to have, I don't know, happy chemotherapy. Would that be too weird? You know, there a lot of times things come up we don't expect in life. Life is tricky. And I've been really thinking this past weekend about the hard things that happen and how we handle them. And I think we go through phases. I feel like I haven't handled things very well over the last couple of years. But I'm kind of, oh, that's nice. I'm kind of coming out of it and handling things a little better now. And I think we just have to give ourselves time to adjust. And things have been a little bit rough, especially the last couple of months. And, you know, so here's an example. I posted a video and then got several thumbs downs. And I was like, what? And I had to just kind of say, oh, well, you know, that's not going to make me stop. I need to keep going because Anne is one of my big purposes for doing all of this. So you just keep going and you do your best. And you take the hard times with the good and try to see the better things. There we go. Okay, so there are our 3 cards. They're all a little bit different. I do like that cloud there. And so the last thing we need to do, let's move these out of the way, is make the envelope. And so for this, because I need it to stay together, I think I'm going to use my tape runner. So we have an envelope, and then what we're going to do is put tape right along here, and then we can push it down. So you have to find where the creases are. They are hard to see. So I'm going to get it started, and then you're going to crease them down nice and flat with the, what's that called? The bone folder. There we go. So we've got 4 folds on this one. And this file, this cut file in Cricut Design Space includes the envelope. And so I just thought it would be fun to do it in a fun springy pink. And I don't have the scoring wheel for my Cricut, but in one of my sets, I got the scoring tool, and it works, excuse me, it works really well for scoring. So there you go. All right. All right. Now, while I score mine, I want you, oh, we're going to do this side, to put tape with the tape runner right there.
Tape runner?
Yeah. Can you use the tape runner, or do you want me to help you with that?
Yeah, I'm going to have you do it.
Okay. Yeah, and you don't want to push too hard. You want to keep it light, and I'm going to go kind of a double.
Now, how you do it?
A double row, just like that. And now fold that up so it's nice and flat. There you go. And then I'm going to get mine done.
Cute.
That is cute.
And it looks like the overlap now.
Do you think it'll be fun? Do you think Granny will like it?
Yeah.
Do you think Aunt Sylvia will like it?
Yeah.
What about Uncle Dave? Is he going to like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I hope so.
My tape runner's gone a little bit ski-wampus.
Cool.
Okay. All right, so here is, do you want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
Here's mine. There's yours. We'll just try it and see.
Oh, it fit.
That is going to be really nice. Oh, that's nice. Now, I did learn at the post office. I had the ones I made for March. And I had put a button on one and a snap on the other. They would not go through the regular mail as I actually had to send them as a package because they were too thick. And the post office has this little thing with a 1/4-inch slot, and your letter has to go through that slot easily, and those didn't. And so I had to pay extra to send them as a package. But the good thing was it was really worth it to me for the education from the post office. So if you have a card with anything bumpy on it, they will for one thing, you have to hand deliver it to the post office because they don't know what that bump is. It could be a diamond ring, or it could be a bean, or it could be, a weapon. So you actually have to take it to the post office.
What is a weapon?
I don't know, like, a disease or something.
Oh.
And so you have to declare that it is safe, just like you would with a package. So these, from now on, we're going to go very flat, but we still can make things super cute. Mm-hmm. So that is our card for today. We're going to go ahead and write the fun things inside for each person. And then we are going to go ahead and mail them today, so they'll get there in time for Easter. So I hope you enjoyed that, our cute little lamb cards. And we hope that you have a wonderful Easter, don't we, Anne?
Mm-hmm.
And what?
Passover.
Yes, a wonderful Easter, wonderful Passover. See you next time.